Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Placement Question. In our last video we have discussed about the introduction of C and C constant. If you have not watched the MCQ series part 1, then you can check the video by clicking on the I icon. In this video we will discuss about the C variables, C keywords and comment in C. Let's start without any delay. First question is, what is variable in C? Option A is, it is a name of the memory location. Option B, it is used to store data. Option C, its value can be changed during the execution of program. And option D is all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. In simple words, we can say variable is a memory location which is used to store the data and its value can be changed anytime during the execution of program. Move on to the next question. C variable cannot start with. Option A is an alphabet, option B is a number, option C is a special symbol other than underscore. Option D is both option B and C. Correct answer is option D, both B and C. In variable name, first character must be alphabet or underscore. Move on to the next question. Select wrong statement for constructing C variable. Option A variable name is any combination alphabets, digits or underscores. Option B, first character in a variable must be alphabets and underscore. Option C, any special symbol can be used in variable name. Option D, no comma or blank are allowed within a variable name. Correct answer is option C, because we cannot start a variable with any special symbol, only underscore are allowed. Move on to the next question. Which of the following is invalid C variable name? Option A, underscore P underscore Q. Option B, break. Option C, hash PQ. Option D, both option B and C. Correct answer is option D, both option B and C. Because keyword cannot be used as a variable name and variable name cannot be start with a special character except underscore. Move on to the next question. Which of the following is a correct way to declare integer variable in C? Option A int semicolon. Option B, integer A semicolon. Option C, int A semicolon. And option D is all of the above. Correct answer is option C, int A semicolon. To declare a variable in C, syntax is data type and variable name. For example, int A, float B, int A, comma B. We will discuss about the data type in coming videos. Move on to the next question. Which of the following is a correct way to initialize an integer variable in C? Option A, int A equal to 10. Option B, A equal to 10. Option C, int A equal to 10 plus B. And option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. We can choose any of the style to initialize a variable in C. To declare and initialize a variable in C, syntax is data type, name of the variable, equal sign, constant, literal and expression, or if the variable is already declared, then we can use variable name equal to constant, literal or expression. For example, int a equal to 10. Here we are declaring a integer type variable a and assigning a literal value 10. In our second example, b is equal to x plus y. Here x plus y is an expression. Move on to the next question. What is keyword in C? Option A, keyword has their predefined meaning, whose meaning already been explained to C compiler. Option B, keyword cannot be used as a variable name. Option C, keyword also known as a reserved word. And option D, all of the above. And correct answer is option D, all of the above. Move on to the next question. How many keywords in C? Option A is 30, option B is 32, option C is 38, and option D is 33. Correct answer is option B, 32. And here is a list of all 32 keywords in C programming. Next question is, every C statement must end with a option A, comma, option B, semicolon, option C, colon, and option D is question mark. And correct answer is option B, semicolon. Next question is, which of the following is valid commenting style in C? Option A, /* comment */. Option B is // comment. Option C is /* comment line 1, comment line 2, */. And option D is all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. We can write a comment in any of the style in our C program. Move on to the next question. Which of the following is an invalid form of comment in C? Option A, /* formula */ a equal to a plus b. Option B is a equal to a plus /* formula */ b. Option C is /* calculating / age of person */ and option D is all are valid. Correct answer is option C. C does not allow nested comments. So here in option C we are trying to write a comment within a comment. So this is an invalid form of comment in C. And rest option A and B is fine because we can write a comment anywhere inside the C code. That's all for the part 2. We will be back with part 3. If you like our content, please like the video, subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.